much.
Hey,
Well,
you know what we need to do?
just 1 second. I am writing my to-do list, and if I don't write this one last thing down, I will lose it. So
Wait. You know what we need to do?
What?
We need to tell people what they need to write down.
Oh, on their to-do list?
Yeah, because if they want to take this game design course, they need to sign up.
Yeah.
They need to know where to go, how do they do it, and how long do they have?
Very, very true. Okay, one.
I'm just going to tell them while you're writing your thing.
Okay,
you ready?
No, yeah, I'm ready.
So, April and Ed, or Ed and April, which one?
It's Ed and April.
Ed and April's tabletop masterclass. No, April and Ed's tabletop board game design masterclass. No, I need to write it down.
Writing things down is super, super important.
You know what I'm gonna start.
Ed and April's master tabletop design class. No, tabletop game design.
Ed and April's tabletop design class. Tabletop game design class. Ed and April's tabletop game.
Board game or game?
You know what? They need to sign up for Ed and April's tabletop. Ed and April's tabletop games masterclass, a design and development course starting March 2nd through May 5th. That's what they should write down. They should write tabletop games masterclass, a design and development course brought to you by April and Ed, March 2nd through May 5th. 8:30 p.m. EST, 5:30 p.m. PST. And if they want to sign up, they need to go to paperbagcreativeuniversity.fun.
Oh, that fun.
Because there's nothing more fun than making board games, than making card games, than making tabletop games.
100%.
So if they go to paperbagcreativeuniversity.fun and they sign up, they have until the end of February to do it.
The end of February. Okay, so they have 1 month to do it before it starts another month.
March 2nd it starts.
Yeah, so they have to get on it. They need to put it at the top of their list. Like, these can't be like, oh, I'll get to it. It needs to be like the number one thing. So it happens, right?
Yeah.
You don't know, like, the thing that you need to do most, you put at the top of your list.
This needs to be the top, not top 5, not top 4, top of the list. Do it now. Do it this month. Do not regret it. We got emails from last year. I can't do that heartbreak again. Only 25 spaces.
Yeah.
And only 30 days away.
Right. It's super fast.
1 month from now, we'll be starting.
We will be starting, and we're going to be having so much fun. And I can't believe the amazing things that happened with some of our students from last time. I mean, we can't go into all the detail right now, but the play testing, the company, all of the things.
All the events they got into, we should bring those But right now, sign up.
And you can sign up February 7th. Top of your list. Let's go, people. Any questions, reach out to us.
Or look on the website.
Oh, no, we can ask on the website. Because, I mean, it is paperbagcreativeuniversity.fun website.
Yeah, paperbagcreativeuniversity.fun. Sign up.
Woo.